Claude's Fable 5 model just got a massive upgrade that now allows you to build or automate anything 24/7 via an AI supercomputer. Because this supercomputer is AI native, it's built in an always-on cloud environment, and it will never time out on you, you'll never get into spinning, you'll never have to reboot it, any of those things. And essentially what this allows is for you to build, deploy, and scale 24/7 AI agents, software, apps, or anything else you could think of. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to do this and some pretty crazy use cases this now unlocks. Now that brand new update that I'm talking about is going to be possible by using Claude Fable 5 with Abacus AI's new supercomputer. So if we come over here into supercomputer, we could see exactly how this works. We could use this to host our own LLM. We could use this to create and run a 3D game server. We could use this to create an autonomous trading agent lab, an always-on streaming server, deploy Docker apps with supercomputer, build real-time social apps, and so much more. Because essentially what you're doing here is you are pairing Claude Fable 5, the most powerful AI model that exists, with a 24/7 supercomputer that we could see right here is a cloud computer with access to on-demand scalable cloud infrastructure such as databases and APIs. You could build anything from 3D games to streaming and trading servers and always-on AI agents that could work for you 24/7. And this is nuts. As we could see right here, we could use this to actually schedule out tasks. We could use this to create databases, storage, GitHub, SSH. And if we click always on right here, this will be on 24/7. 365 with no downtime. So to show off to you just how crazy this is, we're going to come over here and we're going to use this prompt right here. I want to build a visual AI trading strategy lab where multiple agents analyze stocks, crypto, research papers, news, market data, and trading algorithms in order to generate, backtest, compare, deploy, and monitor trading strategies in the supercomputer. The app should show every AI step visually with data ingestion, research extraction, strategy creation, backtesting, risk checks, agent voting, deployment, and live monitoring. And by the way, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing off an absolutely insane use case. So the first thing we're going to do to make this possible is we're going to come over here and we're going to change the model that's being used. We can see right now it's on auto. You could use high, you could use X high, which is going to use Opus 4.8 on high mode, or ChatGPT 5.5 on high mode. But we're going to go with Max Fable 5 because it's the best AI model that exists and makes this way more powerful. So from here, we're simply just going to enter in this prompt. It's going to ask us a few questions that we're going to answer. And now this is going to go off and this is actually going to build this. And the results here are absolutely insane. We can see that it's going through, it's coding all this up, it's planned everything out. And now this is almost all done here and the results are going to be crazy. And now we can see that this has actually gone through. This has created this AI training lab right here where we could actually go through and enter the terminal. From there, we're going to be able to see everything that this is actually able to do because we could see right here that we have all these different agent pipelines right here, and we could actually have this take all these actions. And look at this. This generated all of this literally in just a few minutes. On top of that, this is actually live, so anybody would be able to access it. It has 9 real LLM powered agents to do market data, research extraction, strategy generation, technical indicators, sentiment, and this is crazy. And what I really want you to extract from this and take away is that you could literally use this to build a solution for anything that you could think of. The reason that I chose AI trading as the first thing that I wanted to show is because of how complex it is and how much skill it actually takes to build something like this out. Fable 5 crushed it. I mean, literally look at this. The charts, the indicators, the strategy cards, the audit trail. It literally goes through in real time and actually analyzes everything, gives us a risk analysis, a profit factor, trades, a Sharpe ratio. And we could use this for all of these different things to run this AI pipeline. It then goes through all 9 agents and gives us all of the outputs. We could see that we could use this to do market data analysis, research and literature analysis, strategy generation, backtesting, literally all of this built out by AI from inside of the supercomputer. And guess what? Since the supercomputer runs 24/7, this will never have any downtime. But that was just the first use case I wanted to show you. The second is going to be us creating a 3D game. So I want to create a stunning 3D endless hoverbike game. The game title should be Neon Eclipse. We want to create a highly polished 3D endless hoverbike survival game set inside of a futuristic cyberpunk megacity during perpetual rainfall. Again, incredibly complex to be able to build this and to be able to code this. Try to ask just regular Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, any coding agent that you're using, try to ask ask them to do this and it's going to fail. But this is going to crush it. Again, we're going to come over here, turn on Max. We're going to give it this prompt right here. We're going to answer any questions that it has. And this goes on and begins to actually code this out. And this does an incredible job. So we could see this is going through, this is actually planning everything, now coded everything. We have Neon Eclipse right here, and it's also set it live. We could go to it, we could actually play this game. I want you to look at this. It gives us the instructions, gives us everything. We could change all of these different things, and look at this. This is absolutely crazy that it was able to make this 3D game, but most importantly, it was able to one-shot it. It's now live 24/7. Anybody can access this, and you could use this to literally spin up your own 3D game in the next few minutes. Not even just a 3D game, think about it. You could build a 3D world. Now, before I get into the rest of the use cases that are only going to keep getting crazier and crazier, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Abacus AI's supercomputer today for only $10 a month. This tool's an absolute no-brainer. It's going to help you build anything that you want. It's going to help you automate anything that you want. And it also gives you access to chat LLMs, so you'll never have AI FOMO again, because you're going to be able to access every single one of the latest video models, latest image models, latest LLMs, and everything else. So what are you waiting for? Go to that pinned comment below and get started with this all-in-one AI tool today, because it's an absolute no-brainer. Now, the next use case I want to show you here is arguably crazier than all the other ones combined. So I'm going to ask this to build a cloud TV studio, an always-on single-channel internet TV station that runs on this supercomputer. This is going to go through and ask us a few questions, like what our database preference is, what the video file size limit is, and what the station name is going to be. We could answer them, or we could just say go ahead and it will actually choose the best options. And again, we could see that this is going to be made possible because this is on 24/7. Now, this actually goes through, it plans everything out, it actually builds everything. We have everything that's completed, we have our pending to-do list, and we could see that this is actually building this out, and this is putting this live inside of the Abacus AI cloud. And what this has actually generated here is pretty crazy, because we could see, look at this. This is literally live right here. Absolutely nuts. Everything works. This goes through literally everything that it did here, how to run it, how to deploy it, what its limits are. We can come over here and actually look at this. And we have an admin section and a viewer section. From the viewer section, look at this. This goes through and actually streams this live 24/7 on our Abacus computer. We could set up the media library. We could set up what is actually going to get shown here. And you can now basically run your own TV station, your own radio station, your own any type of station that plays your content, plays your podcast, plays whatever you want 24/7. I want you to think about how hard this would have been in the past. If we go back just a month ago, even just a week ago, how hard it would have been to be able to build something like this. And now you could literally give this a simple prompt and have this built out in minutes, one-shotted. By the way, I think I've given you some pretty crazy use cases here. The next few things that I actually want to cover are other insane features that Abacus AI has, because this is incredible. Again, inside of the supercomputer, you don't have to use Fable 5. In fact, you don't have to use their auto model. You don't have to use anything that they already have pre-selected. You could simply come over here and say to this, can you host an open source LLM? We want it to be Qwen 2.5 on this computer and give me a ChatGPT inspired UI in order to actually go with it. Per usual, this is going to go through. This is going to ask us any questions that we have, what different chat features we want. We're going to give it all the required information that we have to, and this is actually going to build this out right here. And the result that we get here is pretty crazy, because this now has gone through and this has made us basically our own version of ChatGPT, but using a different model. And once again, it's given us our live URL right here, because this is live on the cloud and we could access it. Our team could access it. Anybody could access it. And I'm sure that you've heard all of the talk recently about how people are not token maxing anymore. Now they're value maxing. This is a great way for you to be able to value max, because instead of you having to pay for really expensive AI frontier models, you could use the Chinese models or any other type of model, be able to host it in your own 24/7 AI computer that you can access, anybody can access, and this will allow you to be model agnostic and save a lot of money. Now we can see that we have our chat right here, and this literally goes through and we could chat with this, and it tells us that we're chatting with Qwen 2.5. You could train this on your own data. You could literally customize this however you want. Look, we could come over here, ask it to explain something, boom, goes through and explains it. Or write us a haiku about quantum computing. It does it. This can literally do anything that we want from here, because we created this new chat and we could use any model we want. And since we're on the topic of value maxing, Abacus AI also allows you to actually build your own custom routers. In fact, they have 3 different ways that you can actually build these out. If we come over here into new custom router, we could see that we could start from a template right here. So if we wanted to build a coding assistant or open source coding or writing in Content Studio, research analysis, everyday value, we could actually use one of their templates. For example, if we come into open source coding, this then goes through, shows us the category, the description, what it's actually going to route to. We could add in new categories and we can actually use this router wherever we want. We could even use it inside of Abacus AI. If you don't know what a router is, basically what this will do is instead of using one model, this will use 3 different models. It'll look at your prompt, determine what kind of prompt it is based on these different categories and these descriptions, and then it will automatically route your prompt to the best thing so that you're not one of those people that's using 5’s or using ChatGPT 5.6 Soul or using Gemini, the highest model that they have, in order to do some really simple tasks. And if we actually come over here, we could see that we could customize this to literally use any model that you can possibly think of. And I don't want you to think that you only have to go with one of their templates. We could come over here and actually ask AI to build this. We can name it, we could give it a system prompt, and we could actually go through and tell it exactly how we want to build it right here. For example, I want one that is good at writing YouTube scripts, coming up with content ideas, and making video content. We could click on generate with AI. This will automatically come over here and this will actually update everything, which is just incredible. We could see for script writing, it's going to use Opus 5. For content ideas, GPT 5.6 Soul. For video content planning, it's going to use Sonnet 5. We could add in more categories and we could customize and change everything that we want about this. Now, if we come back over here to select method, there is one other way for you to do this. If you want full control, start from scratch right here, and you can literally customize everything that you can think of. And this right here is what makes Abacus AI the best tool that I have ever personally used, because they literally allow you to do everything. You could build out these custom routers. You could use a 24/7 AI supercomputer. You could access literally every single AI model from here. You could create self-improving AI agents. You could generate images, generate videos. You could generate apps. You could generate websites. You could generate social media content. You could automate anything that you could think of, and so much more. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that shows you how to build self-learning agents using Abacus AI. These are agents that literally you set a goal for them and they work towards that goal and get better and actually learn every single day. And it's the craziest thing I've ever seen. If you want to learn how to do that, I'll see you over there.